Hello, Jalapao 18 fans. Or should I say...
3 of you?
Yeah, should I say muy tan, but we're playing Natural Disaster Survival, and well, let's just say Daniel's AFK.
Oh, I am definitely here. I'm just the wrong thing. I did not mean to get out my car. I meant to get out my mouse. There we go. I am on. Yeah, because Dave here is here.
Dave here is here.
Dave here is here. Yep.
Oh!
Hey guys, Dave here is.
I got that on camera.
What'd you get?
This girl named Cookie just like flew into the sky when she touched her crown.
Oh my gosh, it comes with Willow D.
Your crown has its Willow D part 2.
Give me Willow D.
That should be the title. Girl flings into the sky when touches crown.
I need a screenshot from it. Wait, she tried to touch my crown.
Yeah, she jumped on your head and she just like flew away.
It's just because I'm an OG, you know? Oreos normally get mad whenever someone touches their crown. So, I'm not I'm good. We needed a screenshot of that. That's fine.
I have it on camera, it's fine. She just like
We'll just take a screenshot from the video.
she just flew into the abyss.
We'll make it one.
Also, it's probably not safe to be up here,
How
but
are you going up here? Got my Survive 50 Disasters award.
ooh. That was a great start. Well,
Bro, every single person died.
what?
Literally, like, okay, there's some.
No, everyone's dead.
Bro.
Everyone died. What was that? Like a flippin' magnitude 48 earthquake? I'm literally the best person in the server and I didn't even live. I'm the best person by far.
We don't know that.
Well, you are in 7th, 8th place with 50 survivals. And Vicky here just tried to shove me. That's not gonna fly, Vicky girl. Anyway. Oh, okay. Pull out your compass and vote Rainbow Ride. That's what I voted. Yay. Intermission.
Can you do it?
In a minute. Yeah, okay, let's go. This one. Bro,
Oh, get off.
I'm not even sitting down. I'm leaning at you. What the f-
We are idiots.
Maybe I can live, maybe I can live! Nope, I died. I very slowly fell to the ground. I literally floated like a feather and I died. Well, my head was floating. What map? I'm thinking Midas Headquarters. Or we could choose Midas Headquarters. Why not do the... Oh, it's gone.
Thanks to the survivor prompt.
Oh, okay, just choose, none. I refuse to choose, except I chose the far right one.
Bro, as soon as you open it, it goes to different map.
Well, Lucky Mart is one of the options. Okay. What do you want more, Lucky Mart or Surf Central?
I've only done like Surf Central.
I like Lucky Mart better, but I'll do Surf Central with you.
I mean, do you want to do?
No, it's fine. You get to choose the map this time. This cloud is literally a gray ceiling. It's a gray slab. Oh, I'm on one of the panorama decks.
Right.
I'm on one of the panorama decks.
Are you on the right?
Yeah.
What's the storm? Has it been announced yet?
No. I think it's gonna be either flash flood or
You might hear.
Oh, yep, I told you. Okay.
Well, we want to get out. To be honest, this is like the best match in this.
Yeah. It's probably one of the tallest structures. There's a dude standing at the top. There's two dudes on like different.
Get to like the very top,
No, that might not be a great idea, but okay.
It's a great idea.
What you would think that the basement would be a good choice, but
For a flash flood, no.
well, yeah, because it's surrounded by concrete, but it literally just crumbles. It just crumbles. It's already. Yeah, I told you that's why it's a bad idea. Ow! Stop it. I'm climbing on the building. Ow. Oh, nope.
We all died. I don't think did anyone survive that?
Yeah, there's like two people hopping around.
Bro.
I was wrong.
Who is picking out the... Okay, what round? Surfing.
Yeah. This music sucks. No, I have to go in order. Oh, it changed again, but it's fine.
People hate this map. Oh, don't. There's a reason why this map is never
Mom. That's why. Okay, it's gonna be a sandstorm. Ow.
Don't worry.
Okay, I need to get somewhere because otherwise I'm gonna be flung. Okay, I'm gonna hide.
I'm just standing out here.
I look like I'm just born to just survive the apocalypse.
Your avatar screams like 1800. Like,
Man.
sure, kinda.
Well, some guy called me Dr. Science.
Maybe you could like get rid of like the mask and like add a backpack
What
or
was that?
something, and then something is still depicting like. And okay.
You up here? Oh god, my hiding place is very exposed.
Oh, I'm fine. Just me.
There's like a brick of.
Look where I am. Look at my screen.
What?
That's something we should do for a video.
Ow!
Like our different previews. Like I want to see the entrance.
The roof is caving in. I cannot stop falling. I'm. What the? Okay. Someone typed boozy fade. Okay, I think we're safe. Yeah, the map is clean. It's a green slab.
With some dirt. Like round blocks. What is that avatar? That is the worst avatar.
Demon. Okay. Arch Park Glass Office or Raving Raceway?
I'll let you do.
Okay, I just chose Arch Park because that's like impossible to survive on. Varia Gark. Come and have a picnic with me.
Oh, where are you?
On the picnic. Why is this basket so huge? It's ginormous. Are we trying to fit a body in here?
At least like a 12-year-old kid.
Oh. Well, volcano time. Oh no, they are running towards the volcano. They are not doing what it said to do. Jesus Christ.
I am very safe up here.
There is a lava block in Arch Park.
Where is this? Yellowstone or something?
There is the arch is no longer Arch Park.
It's not. It's like.
It's like a broken
It's like
ring.
Somewhat Arch Park.
Yes.
What the name is. Oh. I'm on. The tornado didn't like me being on top of it. What?
I didn't say anything. What?
Alright, where are you? I was the first. I got flung.
That sucks. Screw this round.
More Doritos.
In a minute. Oh, I'm in the barn. Okay. I feel like I would own this farm. I would own this farm for sure. No. Yeah. I hear they make pretty good money though.
They do, but like, the more work you do,
Just throw your back out.
because like then there's a lot of they get paid
$3 a day.
like
That was so close to hitting me, you won't even believe. Bro! Bro, I just saw some guy get completely obliterated by a lightning bolt. He was sitting in the tractor and he just exploded. What? Oh. Look at. Oh my god. It's like a flipping game of cat and mouse. Jump off the roof. That sounds like a good idea.
What?
Yeah. Dude, where are you at? Oh my god, bro, don't move. Okay, there. Hello. Freeze, oh whoa. You can not stay put in some now. You can. Oh, he is? ¿Qué? No tiene sentido. No, I don't have any proof that that doesn't make sense. Bro, that new Roblox death sound. Bro, can I stop falling down like in gym class? Yeah. I'm gonna run the cash register, not Paige. Nope, I'm doing it. Yes.
Paige, you don't work here. Back on the car here.
How many I take your order?
McDonald's or something.
What the frick? Hey! Get this.
I don't think cashiers at like that work at like convenience stores.
Ow! What? Oh, I'm trapped. I need to get out now. Oh, God. Oh, my God. I'm just dying randomly. I'm dying randomly. I can't do anything. I'm just dying randomly. Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm back. I'm finding... Rainbow Ride. I hate Launchland. Bro, there's so much shit. Oh, I'm watching the destruction of Furious Station firsthand. Meaning I'm still alive.
You're eating an apple.
Bonjour. Okay, let's try it again. Let's get into one of the... I'm right behind you. Okay, get into this green one. Or not. Get into the other green one. Nope. Okay. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. No! Whoa! What? Meanwhile, back on the ranch... Chow Zing. Tractor guy is back at it again. Yeah, that's the same dude who flipping got obliterated by the lightning bolt. I caught it on camera too.
Should that be the title or
Oh, I don't know. It's too funny to decide. This is gonna be our best video.
It will. It'll be best. You might want to get a little lower. You might want to get a bit lower.
Hide in the thing. We're having a conversation in Spanish. La bananas es horrible. You don't like bananas?
I don't really eat bananas, should I? They're nutritious. I might start eating them. I was thinking of
Bro, I always just...
I might start eating them.
Oh.
Go to Google Translate.
No, we're trying to have an actual conversation. Why do I always get trapped in the flippin' shattered building? Gotta get out! No! Out! I escaped from this. Why? Why do I keep dying randomly? I just keep getting flung into the wall and exploding.
I'm gonna look up Okay, I got one cat.
Oh, I guess like volunteer. Oh, it's prison panic.
What happened?
We had some technical difficulties and I need to get in the fucking building now. Okay, well the stairwell has collapsed. I can't. The stairwell has collapsed. I can't get up. Okay, there. A little speak Spanish is what I just said. And I just fell back. This deteriorated kitchen is just sad. Oh, the floor is falling apart. I won. Mi madre es loca. No, no, no! Oh my god!
Did you die?
Yeah, okay, video's ending, bro.